Getting started with MODIS version 6 Surface Reflectance Data Part 3 Interpreting Quality Information. Presented by the Land Processes Distributed Active Archive Center, or LPDAC. This is Part 3 of the Getting Started with MODIS version 6 Surface Reflectance Data video series. This video will cover the associated quality information for the data, including the quality science dataset layers and their decoded quality bits. Tools that provide users with information about quality, and where to find out more information on the LPDAC's website. Each MODIS version 6 Surface Reflectance product contains data packaged in hierarchical data format HDF files. Within each HDF file are several quality assurance QA science datasets, SDS, that provide users with clues regarding the usability and usefulness of the data products. The quality information can also be used to filter data based on levels of quality. There are several types of QA information that can come with the MODIS version 6 Surface Reflectance data products. The Reflectance Band Quality Assurance QA, or Quality Control QC, and Coarse Resolution QA provide information on the quality of atmospheric correction at the pixel level and provide information on band data quality. The Data State QA and Coarse Resolution State QA flags provide information about each pixel's state that might compromise the pixel's information, for example, the presence of clouds. This type of QA is specifically about the pixel and is independent from information about the quality of the SDS or resolution. More detailed information about specific QA information for each product can be found in their Product User Guide and Algorithm Theoretical Basis document, ATBD. These documents are available in the documentation section of each Digital Object Identifier (DOI) landing page. The user guide provides a more in-depth and up-to-date explanation of the product, and the ATBD provides descriptions of the algorithm and calculations that are fundamental to the product. User guides are updated for each new product version, while ATBDs are not. The QA science dataset layers are binary encoded and bit-packed, meaning each pixel in the QA layer contains an integer value that must be converted to a bit binary value for interpretation. The bit string interprets various parameters as shown by this chart. Here's an example of how to break down a bit binary value using the Terra MODIS 8-day Surface Reflectance 500 meter Level 3 gridded Mod 09A1 data product. Here's the decimal value for 1 pixel from the 500 meter reflectance band quality. This number will convert to this 32-bit binary value. This can be done using a calculator or conversion tool. Once the binary value is found, the value can be interpreted using the chart. The bit string is read from right to left. For example, the bit word for bit number 0 through 1 is 01, which means the corrected product produced at less than ideal quality, some or all bands. Bit number 2 through 5, or the band 1 data quality, is identified using the bit word 0000, which means these bands are highest quality. To aid in unpacking and interpreting the bits, the Land Data Operational Products Evaluation (LDOP) facility has developed the LDOP QA Unpack SDS Bits tool, which can be executed from the command line or invoked via scripts. The Unpack SDS Bits tool decodes requested bit fields and writes them to an output HDF file containing a new SDS that can be viewed with software supporting the HDF or HDF-EOS data formats. More information about the LDOP tools can be found under the Tools section of the LPDAC website. Another tool that can be used to view the QA information is the Application for Extracting and Exploring Analysis-Ready Samples, APEARS. This application allows users to view the ModLand QA bits based on the date, product, layer, and coordinates of data points of interest. APEARS also provides users with fully decoded MODIS quality information in a CSV file. For more detailed materials about surface reflectance quality information, visit the e-learning page on the LPDAC website. Search for QA in the table to learn more. Thank you for watching our video. For more information about MODIS version 6 surface reflectance data, please visit the LPDAC website at lpdac.usgs.gov.